Cooking over the campfire. Oh yeah. Those are tomatoes. This is potatoes and some cauliflower that fell out of the cauliflower, which is there. And that's the kale. It's gonna be so good. So good. Here, a dog. Here, another dog. Oh god, I hope she didn't fall in. And this is a mixed green salad, homemade balsamic vinaigrette. Oh yeah.
Hey.
Camp food.